Hi everyone, it's Nadia again from FAC, and I'm one of the estheticians at Facial Aesthetic Concepts. Today I just wanted to kind of talk to you about pimples and what you can be doing at home during the quarantine to kind of help alleviate if a little unwanted friend pops up on your face. I am someone who has struggled with acne and pimples my whole entire life, so I'm there with you guys. So one of the biggest things I want to advise you from doing is picking at your face at home. I know it's super hard to have a whitehead, especially that's just bulging, and it's really uncomfortable and it's hard to look at. But what happens when you pick at your face is you risk the chance of introducing bacteria into your skin. So that's going to make the breakout worse. You also risk spreading that bacteria to other pores on your face. So then again, making the breakout worse. And the last and the most important thing is you have a higher chance of scarring. And that's going to be something that's going to be really hard to correct once we get you back in the office, is those scarred spots that are created. So my biggest thing is we're all inside right now. Just don't pick at your face. I know it's really hard, but trust me when I say it's going to be better for you. It's going to be best if you just leave it alone. So now I'm going to talk to you about some products that you can use if you do get a pimple. One of my favorites is our overnight spot treatment. And what that is great for is those kind of more deep underground ones that are really swollen that just haven't surfaced yet. It has a good amount of salicylic acid in it, which is really anti-inflammatory. So I love putting that on at night. It kind of looks like you're treating chicken pox, but you know what? It's nighttime. We're all at home. No one's going to see you, and I've really noticed a big improvement when I get a pustule and I put that on it. It goes down immediately. Another thing you can use is our Benzaderm gel. This is really, really great for more of those pussy looking breakouts. Benzoyl peroxide is actually an antibacterial, so it's going to help to kill the bacteria in that breakout. I really like this one a little bit more for things that are surfaced because it's really drying, so it's going to help to kind of kill everything inside there and also prevent that bacteria from spreading to other pores on your skin as well. And lastly, the breakouts that a lot of people struggle with are just blackheads and that little bit of like texturized congestion on the skin. The biggest thing to help with that is actually just exfoliating. So I recommend using our AHA BHA cleanser by SkinMedica. It's a nice light scrub that's going to help to kind of break all that skin down that's clogging the pores. I also like our clarifying brightening polish as well. That's going to be a little bit coarser. So that one I only recommend using once or twice a week. But the AHA BHA cleanser, you can actually use every other day. Sometimes I even get away with using it every day if I'm really congested. Another thing I like for those blackheads / texturized congestion is our glycolic treatment pads. They're a really, really nice way of getting a light exfoliator onto your skin as a toner without over drying your skin, sometimes like retinol and salicylic acid can. So I definitely recommend doing that. I hope you're all doing well. Just keep in mind that even us estheticians like myself, I probably wake up with one new pimple every day during quarantine. You know, we're all under a different amount of stress right now. My diet is definitely not on point. I'm not drinking enough water. So it's just something we have to embrace. You're beautiful just the way you are. And I can't wait to pick at all your faces again. Hang in there, and I hope to see you all soon.